In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit header in Shopify. The header is the top area of your store where customers usually see your logo, your main navigation menu, and sometimes color and layout styling. A clean header makes your store easier to use and helps your brand look consistent. To get started, go to your Shopify admin and find your active theme. Next to that theme, click Customize. This opens the theme editor, where you can preview your store and adjust settings on the left side. Now look at the left-hand sidebar and click the header section. This is where most header options live, including layout, menu selection, and styling. When you click into header, you will see the settings update in the sidebar, and you can watch changes appear in the preview as you work. If you want to change your logo, go to the top area of the editor and click the gear icon for theme settings. From there, click Logo. This is where you can upload a new logo or switch to a different file. Take a moment to confirm it looks crisp in the preview, especially on both light and dark backgrounds, since clarity matters in small header spaces. To change the menu in your header, go back to the header section in the left sidebar. Find the menu setting, then click Change to select a different navigation menu. If you do not want a menu shown in the header, choose Remove Menu. After you switch menus, scan the preview to make sure the links fit nicely and do not wrap awkwardly. To adjust the header layout, use the desktop logo position dropdown. This lets you move the logo to the left, center, or another available position, depending on your theme. Watch how the logo placement affects your navigation alignment and overall balance. For color changes, stay within the header settings and look for color scheme. Choose the scheme that matches your store branding and keeps text readable. Aim for strong contrast so your menu items stay easy to see. Finally, click Save. Saving locks in your changes, so be sure you do this before leaving the editor. And that is all there is to it.